Physics and chemistry are extremely well connected in science. But what is not well connected in science is biology with physics and chemistry. I think TopWiki can even take it one step up. We can connect physics, chemistry, biology, the holy grail. And I think we can add one more component to it, philosophy, from the 5 major faith-based traditions: Judaism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, to create this concept of like, what's the past, present, future, future, present, past, expand that out, start defining some of the symbology, like what is dash with an E above it? Is it just a summary of Bohr and Einstein's work? L equals S orbital, E equals mc squared? Well, not exactly, but what if we hold that as a probability of connection in terms of like one hive unit? And that way we could create a very easy to use, intuitive theory of everything based upon emergence, fertilized egg, unfertilized egg, female, womb man, force aggregator, force carrier, force multiplier. And if these connect based upon probability, we're including basically a time scale perspective, emergence, and philosophy with biology, chemistry, and physics in a way that complements all the other great scientists. And then basically helps the UN's executive language, English, specifically English-based Wikipedia, help others, help themselves, help their community, and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. So this is today. So today would be like the present. How do you, so instead of just thinking in terms of like 3 points of perception, like past, present, future, you could put like 3 dots before and after an expression, something that's robust enough to be distinguishable from its environment for a set period of time, or maybe infinitely in theory. And basically you could just be like, all right, well, how do we even expand that concept out even more into 6 parts? Past, present, future. Some point we emerge out of the jungle, we find ourselves measuring stuff, and how do we even expand that out more? And in terms of creating a more meaningful understanding of how probability relates to what we see in our environment, such as what Darwin talks about. If hives are able to split themselves up and then create mechanistic processes of selection through random mutation, other things we don't understand at all, and ultimately we can really try hard to think about how intelligence and group intelligence relates to this in terms of being able to create predictive algorithms and things like that. So anyways, I'm just learning my daughter's language, and kind of on the side I was thinking about a few little things, and just connecting Einstein's general theory of relativity with quantum mechanics in a way that every single person is totally happy about and gets, biased for blind people, biased on holding a shared concept such as egg, order from chaos, constant, and helping children manage their weight, the weight mass equivalency expression versus the energy mass equivalency expression. Since the executive nation state, the US, we all use pounds and everyone else uses mass. So creating an artificial intelligence language that is useful, helpful, and deep space exploration and expanding human lifespan. So yeah, just trying to think about that. How do we connect chemistry, physics, biology, philosophy, in a way that everybody is really, really, really happy about and going to start to use to communicate with each other at a much higher, much more meaningful level. That's the goal.